Ciao mundo, hello world, hola mundo, hello mon. We're here today taking a cappuccino in a museum in Shanghai, China, with Professor Kianoush Kashani from Mayo Clinic, United States. And we would like to comment his published review in blood purification on electronic medical records, alerts, and electronic sniffers. So Kianoush, can you just describe your review, please?
So this is a paper that talks about how electronic records can help physicians and clinicians to identify patients with acute kidney injury, try to give them some advice how to manage them, and reviews all the new literature on this topic. And we are hoping that with this review we can make more questions for the future studies, and eventually we get to a point that electronic records can facilitate our daily work in our patients.
This is actually going in the same direction when I recommended a kind of standard terminology in order to make able to compare different electronic medical records, right?
Absolutely. So we have to kind of set this up as standard, so all the centers across the globe can, all the research processes can help each other and try to elevate each other.
And how do you use an electronic alert system? How do you?
So currently we have this electronic sniffer that reviews all the patient medical records every 15 minutes, and each patient who meets the criteria for acute kidney injury sends a pager or an alert to a designated person. In our case, it goes to the fellows, critical care fellows, who then we have introduced some clinical decision support system, hopefully with more and more advanced capability to be able to provide better care following KDIGO guidelines for acute kidney injury.
So you have a kind of a rapid response team.
Correct, for acute kidney injury.
Fantastic. So please read this paper in blood purification. I think you will find enlightening and possibly will help you to apply electronic medical records in your center. And with this, I thank you very much for joining today Cappuccino in Shanghai with Professor Kashani and myself. Excellent.
That was fantastic.
Excellent.